Bombat, how's a student? Or a KC or JC? Bro, we there. Which one we there now?
Eh?
Where we there?
We're there. Near Bristol ones.
This one is, yo, the man from what the end, the man just like give Bristol ones, pay a free promo. We don't know the dog love Bristol and stuff. But we there in a Spain town. I just walk up and down, cause you don't know.
Popeyes.
Near Popeyes we there.
Popeyes.
I can see Popeyes. But actually, me there on a date. Me and my girlfriend, you know. Well, she do her ear and thing. And
I mean, I just the third wheel, you know.
I might just the third wheel if you get to me I say. But me end up buy one rose for her already, some flowers for her. I don't really rose, I buy some flowers for her and things. But I want to do one look of style where it's like we walk past the place and like our back turn and then we just get the rose from somebody. You know them look of style?
Yeah.
So I feel like Kyle can help me with that. But I don't want Kyle to a third wheel one way. So I can just send her home after we buy the thing them. Cause I don't really know date me and her go on. It's too late. Yeah, it's too late. I can do some content in that town. What's going on in that town?
You're not carrying mic too.
Huh?
Not carrying mic.
No, dad, I can't, no mic. Huh?
That's not the carry.
Which one? The Benz? So I can't do it. A woman a drive, you say she look. I know me, I use she look fan, come crazy with that. No, man, I don't tell. I know me she look fan, bro. I swear, I know me she look fan, bro. I swear I know me she look fan, bro. Bad man. I could go down to Popeyes stuff too. Bro, I know me the woman that look fan, brother.
The glimpse here, she had enough to go find.
So wait, yeah, go on like say me can't control nobody here. I can't Yo, brother, what did them fit, bro? You know, say make a top part. Frost, you see me just get $250, you know. Don't sell me, allow me to tell upon you. No, you just give me $250. Me not just get $250. You see, say I tell lie now. Frost, me not have no money, Frost. Give $100 if you can give him, guys. Brother, me just give one bag of Ray. You know, they don't rate Frost still, you know?
Yo, this is that nearly kill him with it, bro.
Kill him with it for?
Use one iron, you know, iron tool, you know, to broke his blood clot skull, you know.
Just so? Randomly? In a Spain, yeah?
Yes, I'm a big people and I say, yo, where am I big?
Let me buy why am I big?
People are game and I'm a big more, you see me?
But regardless, brother, I'm go on big. What am I tell you? Bro, I'm not gonna. Papa is too full still. Papa is too full, bro. People find one look at table. Huh? Where? That's all? That's all? I hear people in that. Which movie? Which movie? Which movie that?
Movie with that wood white thing there.
Bro, what? Bro, they have video myself, bro. People have problems, bro. Nah, I can't bother, bro. God. But watching the people, we there in Spain, I try to be a romantic and think, I don't know. I first met my girlfriend really I go out and think, I really hope Kyle can help me out. I really the first date and bro, I never get a girl flowers and I first girl never give flowers in the bro. I wonder if they can hear me.
Yeah, they must can hear, bro.
You know it, my girl. You know it.
How you want now?
The food in your races now. The food in your races. No, serious stuff.
Boy,
brother, she people never gonna let me know.
Make it tight.
Me not tell her cause bro, me have to tell her. Me can't see people have food in them braces and in them mouth and me not tell them. Me really out, brother. So where she got this me a food actually? She never know. Me if she didn't know she would not open her mouth so like bro, she open her mouth what a while ago so she would not, you see me? But as me say, first time being romantic and thing. So we gonna walk go down to the mall, we collect the flowers and them things. Yo, I do that. Look at that Jaja dog. You can raise. I'm going to raise that girl behind you. The girl behind you, yes, sir. Raise her come back. Get the number. Or you're not tough, so. You can't get the number. You can't. You're not tough, so. Dog, the mic not connected, idiot. So, you going to raise the mic not there? You man
Actually,
fool.
mic not connected. Yeah?
The mic not there, the dog want to raise. The mic not there, the dog want to raise.
Mic not connected, bro.
But yeah, I saw all the rich people in Jamaica compare, you see it? The Popeyes and the, what that, Little Caesars. Because I can't afford that. 2 ice cream I go eat. Me and my girlfriend I go eat. 2 ice cream, because I don't know how to ice cream yet. If I ask her for my girlfriend, to be honest, but show me a gentleman and, you know, and all of them things there. I can't ask her for my girlfriend on the first date. You know what them look style, eh? Huh? Remember if I go, she agree. Where is that? You want to for there? I look, you want to look it? Eh? You want to look her?
Don't say that, man.
Yeah, bro. Definitely. Say hi to the vlog, no? Alright, never mind. You can't say hi to the vlog. You can't say hi to the vlog.
Come on,
Come here, no, on the vlog. He might ask you something. Minute. You're outside. No, you're outside. I promise. Look, they can look funny and see me alone in the front. Look funny and see me alone. Honestly. Let's say hi to the vlog. Vlog! So yeah, people, we're there upon Popeyes compound, but really and truly, we're not buying a Popeyes or we're not buying a Little Caesars. I don't really say what broke, bro.
I lie about blood clot.
After me not broke and blood clot papa rice.
We have 2 bills for me alone.
So, you know, we're going to go down to the mall. We're going to show you which one we buy the rose them from. We buy rose, the flowers from here and thing. You don't know the style, so me and Kyle go down to the mall right now. Give the lady all a promo and whatnot. Because the lady energy, bro, great, bro. Me I tell you, great, and she have good marketing skills. Because me almost left and I buy nothing. And she has spray paint. I don't know what you call them, white flowers there. Yeah. We'll get the information from her later and everything. So we can go down to the mall, dog. Plus Spanish Town this. I feel like Jamaica walk by. You see me? You know so Jamaica walk by come from wherever? Yeah, dog. So who don't know now, you know, we there walk through Spanish Town. Huh? Huh?
You don't catch it, bro. You walk too fast, bro.
Why girl pretty? Man, you know make me tap on. You don't got, bro, you don't risk nothing, brother. Bro, you can't risk nothing, bro. You don't have no risk. This nigga has no risk. Acting like he a Rizzler. He ain't got no risk. Walk, are you a Rizzler? I got a Rizzler. You don't get no play. Bro, you no risk, bro. You not no risk, brother. You not no risk, bro. Bro, my days are risking done, bro. Cause I'm a married man now. Bro, me even ask the girl to be my girlfriend. And you hear me a claim her? Suppose she said no, I'll let me go ask her. Suppose me ask her, she said no. Yo, you have to smell good like beer perfume, man. Are you smell that?
I have a sweet spray them.
Are you have a sweet spray them? Oh. So you have to smell so good. Are we gonna talk? Oh. Cause I spent 10 grand with you a while ago now. What's your move, so? Huh? Yes, mommy? Some perfume and thing with you I look for, mommy. Yeah, perfume and them some. Huh? Strip fashion? Alright. Run at the red building when we see. Yeah, bro. You big up the stream now, bro. Alright, my dad. Bro, you not no risk, brother. Stop, bro. Stop going like you have risk and you not have no risk. You not have no risk, bro. Yo, 150 no man. 150. 150. Pacha, yo, big up the stream in a Pacha. You know the thing going on Pacha. We there, bro. We are the one who stream. You see me? Go it up. Bro, I'll show you which part we are going to stop, dog. In the mall, here. So not too walk with the camera, dog. Man, they even interact, bro. You have to interact, bro. Man, you leave, bro. You stream, leave me. Charger, bro. See, dog, the man. Bro, but they can't hear the same way, brother. Bro, camera no fever attack. You have a camera attack more than the person. Me a camera right now, you know. Right now, I identify as a cam right now, bad man.
Brother. You brother. Yeah, rush it, brother.
You know here.
Yeah, rush it, brother.
Bro, so if you walk man on the stream still in the dog, a long time you not stream, you know?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother. You go start stream, brother.
Yeah, brother.
So yeah, people, it's a Spanish town at night time. Brawling. It's not that bad still. How they say Spanish town? How they say Spanish town a bad place at night time? Huh? Who for shush? And you not look nothing. People, I'm turning on the stream for myself. Because them boy, not no Riz. I show me have girlfriend when I stop Riz here. Show me now I'm committed. You see me? Let me stop Riz. That me I tell you now. So bro, I'm gonna show you a place, bro, where I get the rose from. I always say rose. The rose I on the floor, me know. I hear time for the camera for me. Hold the camera for me now, damn. What the camera, bro?
So I'm not wait by you.
So basically, I'm gonna show you how to do the whole thing. Like, I'm gonna say I'm gonna get the flowers from the lady. Walk in front of me, you see me? Walk in front of me, so we get all the flowers like this. We just hold all the hand and turn around and just gear all the flowers and some mad style. You know they look a mad style, bro? That's the one. I guess we get it from here.
Fire shit.
Alright. Alright, that's all right.
Top side.
Stop there, alright.
You want to say hi to the?
You can't say hi to the block.
Oh, yeah? I say that, say get it.
I have some get the rose, them and thing from both rose, the flowers. So when the lady give me the flowers, now and them some of them, they don't know me, I go, give my girlfriend one nice little style, one nice little.
What I get a rose?
One side I give one rose, you don't want to buy one flowers. Go reserve, bro. Cause I don't know why she. Go reserve, bro. Go riz, bro. Go on, no. Why? Why? You're cool, man. You're cool. Big up your stream. You're cool. Me I tell you, you're cool. She cool, bro. Tell the truth, bro. She cool, though.
But I want to get to know her more. That's what I'm saying.
Yo, you see, me already buy something for my girlfriend from this lovely lady. She's such a good marketer as well. You already know. Give place a shout out. Me stream on them thing there now, you know. Me stream on them somebody like influencing as well, yeah. So me just get my camera and things. So me just go get a look out.
Let me see how you look on it.
How me look? Did that work?
Wait, how you adjust it? This one? Okay. How you zoom it? How you zoom it in?
Which I use this side.
Okay.
Alright. We're at Jones Flower and Gifts. So today I actually bought a bouquet of flowers for my girlfriend. Well, she's not even my girlfriend yet, but it's the first date. So you know I don't even want to ask her to be my girlfriend yet, but I'm gonna give her some flowers. Because she told me that a guy never gave her flowers before. So the gentleman I am, I'm gonna do that. Kyle not a woman, so I don't know what I go and feel. You see me, but
You know, I want this man will pay for me something because you're not.
But I pay for it, God know, but I just, you know, me can't just, you know.
You have bread enough? You have bread. What you want to spend it on, honestly? It was nice meeting you. Bro's rizzing. You're not in the killer, you're not in the killer, you're not in the killer, you're not in the killer. Alright, you get it? Alright, let me get John and Papa. Alright, so you can come now. Alright, so we're here at John's Flowers and Gifts. Today I bought a bouquet. It was so beautiful. This is what I bought for my girlfriend. I think she's gonna love it so much. I bought this for my girlfriend. and I want to do a little thing, you know. Her favorite color is pink. Joan actually sprayed it and everything because I didn't like the idea of roses. You get me? I didn't like the idea of roses on the first date and stuff because you know Valentine's Day is coming up, which is the more rose appropriate thing. You get what I'm saying? So Joan actually sprayed it up. She put it in this green thing that has water in it already. Then she wrapped it in a pink gift wrapping. What do you call it?
Paper. This is wrapping paper.
So Joan gave us in wrapping paper and stuff. So I'm gonna go for my girlfriend. Kyle's gonna video me while I trigger. So we're gonna walk past here, and Joan's gonna give me when I call her. Then I'm gonna get it from Joan, and then I'm gonna surprise my girlfriend. I'll be like, bought these for you, you know, because she's never got roses before. So I just wanna give Joan a big shout out for helping me. Probably she helped me find my wife and them things. So yeah, we go big up Joan. I invite even Joan to my wedding and everything. So I just wanna show her my appreciation. I have to come down here with the camera.
See that? Joan, big up you.
Joan, come.
Big up
Joan, big up you. Joan, big up you.
Alright,
get money back in the food, come here. Alright. We can walk through your own stuff.
Alright.
But bro, you actually risk. Nah, I mean, you can risk still, you know. Tell me the dog. But bro, me I tell you say, we there in nice Spain. We there in nice Spain, no. Long time we don't do one vlog still, you know. Tell the truth, a long time we don't do one vlog.
That girl just I tell the girl, I say, yo, I tell the camera, I say, yo, soon to be girlfriend or something else, so come up growing up.
One girl in one shop. You have one girlfriend around there, sir?
No, I'm a girlfriend.
And your girlfriend, but you want her to be.
Yeah.
So how you gonna make that happen?
I'm just gonna be myself.
Just gonna be yourself? Okay, bet. That's a bet. That's a bet like a threat. The girl gone, bro. The girl ain't tell us to check up on a date. She ain't even there, bro. Bro, the girl ain't even there. Look at this nigga looking for a girl and she ain't even there. Where are you? Where she gone? You're going to close door? See where I'm going? What is your name, bro? What is your name? What is your name? Huh? You know working? Oh yeah, I forget. Actually, you know business attire.
Business.
What? What about your jeans from us still? Let's see them have purple jeans. You wanna speak no language? Yeah? Bro, come in, bro. No. You like them thing there? You like the shots in? Type shit. Type shit. Huh?
Them a gear bomb.
Like Asian. Asian I sell them. Huh? Yeah.
One for me, one for me.
Huh? Huh?
So two girls, one for me, one for me.
Yeah, cause I can't.
One for me, one black, one for me.
Yo, I sit down here, now. I don't know what we are going to do. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? What's it? So I don't know what time the place is going to lock still.
We are trying to see if we can get as much number as we can. Assuming we got one already. Too much fun to feel like we can get it.
Bro has no risk. Me I tell us when we say I'm not a risk, I'm not have no risk. So I don't even worry about him again. You know what? You want to know? Look at. You know, say a while ago, actually me interact with the person so well, she actually started talking to you. I swear to God. You know if be man, swear, but I promise, bro.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Look, me and my mom with some girl,
You want them to my ear,
we don't know them age and stuff, so we don't want really, you know? Yeah, some of them look like people and stuff, but me I look at you. Look, we want them with the tattoo, them, right?
But me I tell you, look at the way about tattoo too. Say, be careful.
No, it's brawling on them. When we know say they dip on their hand and stuff, they can't pass cool and stuff, you see them? like a girl and feel it.
You feel like if you just bring your flowers, go in and we're just impressed with the dog and just brawling excitement. Like brawling excitement.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, because man have a lap up and
Yeah, bro.
but suppose when time I hear, me dog,
Herb dog. Give me ever give her the flowers that she come for herb dog. You want to get the flowers from Joan and just give her the flowers? Yeah. Right, I got take it long.
just explain and she know
Yeah, dog, cause Joan nice thing, bro, but you know. Babe, you know done? Almost like, how much, what you give me as an estimate? I mean, and Kyle, you know.
For almost though.
Huh? Did I hear you? Yeah, me I say, how long you think you would have take? How long you think you would have take?
Time, look at the time.
Me I say, how long you think you would have take?
Look at the time.
30 minutes per hour. You still gonna get ice cream after? You still getting ice cream after or is that too late? It's probably too late. Alright. So alright, watch out, just look out for go on. Alright. You say alright then, alright then. We have to go do the next best thing. We have to go up to the floors and things. Plan B. So alright, let's go. We are going to join.
Alright. Bro, you walk too fast. You walk too fast.
You don't want a girl to feel like a damn me and walk. You see, you get up the same exact time as them, bro.
Yeah, that look like say your plan B.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. We don't want to feel like a damn me. Deliberately get up to come talk.
Fresh still in that.
Eh?
Fresh your phone.
You look like a KC giant.
Fresh your
That give
phone.
a KC student. He's in my general. Yeah, I know good. And them man hold it back, you can trust them. And them man hold it back, you can see. And we believe in them youth. Them youth are believe in us. Everybody knows. Just go and believe in yourself. I want to face everything. We'll get the rose in front. That's it.
Yeah. Haka. See you missed that. Watch out.
Brother, where the camera? Brother, where the camera so far?
No, brother, you missed that the square, bro.
Brother, I know every girl if you go to the camera fan. Man, just walk. Oh, what? One look good girl. Brother, every girl look good to you. Miss Joan? The end of that, it's going to take longer than what we expect her to do, so we're going to just surprise her in the salon. Yes, I'm just going to take it. You know, bro? I'll take it from Miss Joan.
But it's going to happen next time, bro.
But you're going to have one next time, and you don't know it.
Definitely.
I'm going to love the service. I appreciate it so much. Alright, so come in. Bro.
I don't like the excitement.
You like the excitement, you know, bro. I swear to God, you don't like the excitement, bro. I swear to God. Nah, you don't like the excitement, you know, brother. Don't feel like when we feel that video and people them shop. Dog, I want a piece of extra this you know? One piece of extra this
Gotcha.
How much more storage left? Suppose as we go up in that building, the camera battery run out. It's
Nah,
storage.
that's
Want me check it and come back?
Check it.
People, we are going to check it and come back.
The people.
We are going to check how much time left on the camera. Check
What
it.
you say?
We are going to check how much time left on the camera.
Oh, alright. When I say Marcel?
So, no one know where
When I say Marcel, Batty.
Yeah, man say myself watch your way.
What?
Okay, watch the dog. I want to go up there and tell her, I say like, remember you tell me, say, I never give a rose yet. Now first date and thing. I don't even want to talk too much, bro. I'm nervous about what to do. What to do?
Do it like night, dog.
Huh?
Do it like night.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it. Now walk on the side there, so she just watch it. Tell her what
Hey!
Watch you know. I just alone with it.
Yes, alone.
Buy a gizzard and get a free picture with the star.
That me I tell
Me
you.
and the Hacka'sWrld
You know
tonight.
every time with a man. 100 hour. 50. 100 hour.
If I'm lying, I'm
dying.
Die. Sail it, sail it, sail it, sail it.
Yo, Shane!
See me?
Yeah. Don't punk out, dog. Don't punk out.
If a punk out me, I'm mock. Please no punk out.
You see what I'm going now.
You see me? But babes, if you watch this, I'll let me not kiss you after everything. I'll let me get the rose and me not kiss you and all of them things there. You know your boy. You know your boy still care for you. You know your boy. You see me? Just want the best for you. Always. You see me? I'm want you know some listen when you talk. Let's notice I'm paint them in your favorite color. Pink. I don't even know the name of the flowers. I'm just now want to get the roses. Because roses are so cliche, you see me? But I know you sell roses too. That's the next thing. When I get the roses and you sell roses. So I just try to go out of the box. You get what I say? So, I make sure I get that.
Sale.
See where I'm
Some
moving up here?
phones, tablets, and laptops on
Oh, yeah,
sale.
I see that.
We have phones
No,
on
but it's
sale
not
for
damn
$6,000.
nose.
We have
You know,
tablets on
see,
sale.
the girl nose ring, I want a long piece of stone with drop down. So. That me I tell you about, man.
Nah, look better.
Huh?
Nah, look.
You not do?
Nah, looking.
Look power.
You love put people on it. You love like tell people things. I bet they turn better.
Who are?
People feel like you're trying to style them better. And them are blood clot killer. They like
Me never yet see nobody style when me talk to them.
No,
And you more forget styling. Me never yet get that. Never.
Shut up, man.
You more forget that, bro. Me never yet get the styling when it comes to them. Never. So I don't know where I talk about. You see, because when you talk to people, you're not no charisma. You're not.
No, cause you go tell them, bro. Make them turn better.
Bro, the girl,
them knows
the girl look for me.
And them,
The girl look for me, bro. The girl look for me. Some say, no, we think I want boogie in her nose. What do you mean by? We think I want boogie in her nose, bro. The girl have a long one, someone will come down, so bro. You think of boogie? Anybody would have said them think of boogie. You me think of boogie? Bro, man just worthless, bro. Man just want to correct me on camera like he know. Man think like
you can't don't tell people because people look for you and skin up their face.
and people are skin up their face already not send on to them.
The stinking boy.
All we need to send on to them, people are skin up them face, brother. So we ask them. Every girl in Jamaica, they know that story. You know? Every girl in Jamaica, they know that story.
Yeah?
Every girl in that story, they know Jamaica. Every girl in Jamaica, they know that story. We hide for.
Camera upon you. Oh
Camera
gosh.
on you, girl.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. I must know somebody.
Anyway. How will you buy?
I don't know.
Where you go buy?
Oh, look something for me. You know?
That girl, we don't know that. You guys know something. That's shit. We don't know what that means.
I can tell.
You H&M? Are you H&M?
No, brother. Bombshell.
Anywhere you go, we fling pam.
Look for things them for going in a room, dog. Room, man.
Bro, shut the hell up, bro. Bro, not even there, Sophia, boy. Hi. You see? Me nicer than you, brother. People prefer talk to me, brother, than you.
You're such a
Bro, shut your bitch ass up. Bro, people prefer talk to me than you, bad man.
They prefer different trip fashion than in our streams. So they have bash trip fashion. That's all.
No, me say, how are you in trip fashion? And people see you every day. How are you in trip fashion and you don't want to be in our street? Me say, how are you in trip fashion and you don't want to be in our street?
Let me talk.
You more think, me know you talk. You more think like, me know you talk. You more think, brother. Me know you talk, brother. You more think, bad man. Who hate me? Right now, me I cut out anything we didn't see in that stream. Yeah. If they hate me, I cut out everything so they hate me. Beep.
No, brother.
I just think like, brother. No man can tell me right. Bash. I'm just tell us me nah bash.
No, but I owe you straight, bro.
And then when me explain myself, what me say? Me say people see you every day in here.
That's right.
Because the first thing we start by saying is what? Every girl in Jamaica is in trip fashion. Now that me say, every single day. What me say? What me say? I'll slap the fuck out of you, bitch. You chat too much, man, Kyle. That's your problem. Brother, you come like you look like on KC youth. You know, freaking not gonna take off school uniform on Saturday. You stink like. Why you wear school uniform on Saturday? Man, think me don't know what the man, brother. Man feel a fart. Dress up and think, bro. This is not business casual, bro. Right now, you man in a school uniform and things. That me I tell you, bro. You man think him in a business clothes. Brother, shut. See, man, tell us you start the class, you go waste, man. Brother, you look like a Casey or one of them school you go, brother. Stop dress up so go work, bad man. Stop dress like that going to the people in business place, both Saturday.
Why?
Because you don't look good. More buy the ice cream for the girl, brother.
You look decent. Think ice cream place on this, but you like a move them.
What?
Think ice cream place beside trip fashion.
Brother, you just want to go in a trip fashion because you know you might know somebody. No. You think if look for the camera and say no.
Nay.
A lie man lies a shame. Me not going there so video, no. Me not going there so brother. Where? Brother, me not know that type of ice cream that I want, brother. Brother, I know them the ice cream that I want. One ice cream from one actual place is the ice cream place, brother. Me not talk about store ice. What that thinking boy, man? Brother, don't piss me off, brother. Bro, right now, bro. Bro, where you make a girl on a trip fashion for?
Because one leader beside the don't say boy.
So out of everywhere on the stretch, you prefer going to trip fashion just to know one girl.
Beside.
So you know one girl in a trip fashion and prefer going to trip fashion. Bro, you're such a mucker. You can't stop being a muck. Come in, dog.
Two set of girl here.
What?
That's hard.
Bro, the first girl you get the number from, she never like you. Answer that. Answer that.
If she girl like me, I hate me. I don't want this side for people, brother.
Girl never like you, bro. I just choose the sister vibes there and we don't know. And me and a waste man make she give you the number, bro. I know exactly what I'm saying. I know exactly what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, I asked her if she have a man and she said no, she don't got a man. And I said maybe we can get to know each other. No, we can get to know each other so. And then we move on further from that. So I go on one date so and think, yes. I have the fucking camera film my face like that.
Yeah, just shut the bro. Bro, just shut up, bro.
You know someone hater, bro. Tell you, you go see girl, you go say. How you post yes it to one girl.
Why post him?
No, you post girl yes.
You know on the video. Me say, you know me think I want boogie having your nose?
No, and that
no way. Who? The man can't tell lie for me if you look cool on camera. Bro, you don't look cool, brother.
I look cool.
You don't look cool, brother.
If I'm boogie,
if I'm boogie somebody knows, you tell them say in there, brother. No. You're fool.
Why you don't look fit out like that? If you tell somebody go to them nice and general and say, you know, say
me realize you no boogie.
I'm boogie in your nose.
Me say no, me say, you know me think I want boogie in your nose. And that me say to the girl. But bro, anybody would have looked upon that and think say your nose not a drop out a girl nose. If you see the nose, me see.
That's why you should shut your mouth.
Me not have to shut my mouth.
No, why you because me tell you.
Stop talk to me like that, brother. You stink no about this, here boy. Yo, me not like part school youth, you know. School students, you know, because they feel like they're a man, you know. So school students swear they're a man, you know.
Keep it channel.
Man favor fat. Bro, ice cream I want to buy. Where you go?
Where we are go?
I want to get ice cream for my girl, brother.
I don't know when I ice cream.
Right down there so I know ice cream say. I'm going to buy 2 KFC. We're coming like from big old sodomite, brother. Brother, and number one, you don't know if you don't know how to chat to a female without looking at a female. That's all your problem, brother. Every female you chat to, you don't know if you talk to them and look them. And that will make you get bashed. Shut your shit, look how much people me engage with. The first talk me talk to one girl. Because I mean, you get the number.
I think I over this so. Here. Food in your teeth, the girl that eat food.
Every girl that's gonna be in motor for me, what do? Every girl, chat, look at chat. A girl, chat. A girl asking up her face off of me when we look turn around and I look in her face, right? And then me say, yo, why you do that so in your teeth?
That's how you try to make you feel out.
Exactly, because what she open her mouth and I go and so far. Because she open up her mouth and asking up her face off of me. So wait, how for response? I fear response. I fear talk. More never fear response. Why bonus so? Why bonus so? Why bonus so? Yo, chat, what you going to do? I'm going to put some clip of Kyle at these people and like comments and at these people for all video and everything.
I don't even text in my comments, so I don't
people, chat, here, me say no chat, me have all video and the man a disrespect all brapa. When I feel me closest friend them. You see it? So chat, him can't talk about disrespect people. Kyle a waste man. Kyle is a waste man, people. So why she first of all, the camera dey on me, hear this girl. When I vlog, you know, camera dey on me. Then me turn around and I smile. Skin up her face off of me, what I mean by? If she skin up her face, bro, food in her teeth. No, she for shame. Can you skin up her face off of me?
Why you want she shame?
Why she want shame me?
Oh, she a shame.
And I skin up her face, she skin up her face off of me, she this me. Brother, you just want waste, man. Me not have to justify nothing to you. You see, anytime Kyle want look for a woman, you see, shut up, I just say me I go stinking mouth, boy. Yes, people, you see, anytime Kyle, every girl, Kyle chat to you all a Spanish town. Yo, Kyle chat to you all a Spanish. Kyle a man and Kyle a mockers. Kyle a man and Kyle is a right yourself soon there.
You have money from there,
so. Money from there, bad man. They don't know so we a millionaire walk through Spanish town here, so. Whole day, bro, more than 100,000 me give it just a while ago, brother. 100,000 or $100? $100.